This is how to start chicken farming with no capital, no funds at all. Just a small cage with this few. Kit. Look at them. They're enjoying. Look at them. Look at her. So this is how I created this cage for them. So it is this way. This is simple. Just net. You need net. You need a piece of timber, some nails, of course, and what else? And they have a very simple chicken cage. That, look at them, enjoy. Then the feeding trough, you cut a jerka like that. What else? Then you'll be sipping, and yeah, I get eggs every day. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. And this is a Malaika Family Diary. Simple kitchen.